the function we have is fx equal to 8 square root x. According to the problem there, we have the following thing here. Basically, we have f of c and b minus a equal to from a to b fx dx. For our specific function of fx equal to 8 square root x. So therefore, f of c is 8 square root c. b minus c, which is over b, is 9, and a is 4, because from 4 to 9. So the difference is 5. It's from 4 to 9, 8 square root x, because that's fx dx. So now, and what we have here is we got find the antiderivative 8 square root x. That's what we found antiderivative. And both sides we reduce the a, and both sides divide by 5. Okay, so here the 5 is here actually. And then antiderivative square root of x, which is 2/3 x raised to 3/2 from 4 to 9 because definite integral. And now, and evaluate that part is 9 raised to 3/2 minus 4 raised to 3/2. And 9 raised to 3/2 is 27. 4 raised to 3/2 is 8. So here this is 3 times 5. So here the difference between those two, which is 19 there. Okay, so now we got 19 and times 2, which is 38. 3 times 5 is 15, and that equals c raised to 1/2. Now after squared, you got c, so which is this. That actually equals 444. This 15 squared, which is 225. So that is the answer C.